If you're looking for a natural way to lighten your hair without nasty chemicals or expensive trips to the salon, then you can lighten your hair with something you probably have in your kitchen: lemon juice. Lemon juice will lighten your hair gradually, even when your roots grow out. They will just add depth to the new color, instead of looking unnatural. And if you want to try dyeing your kids' hair, a natural ingredient like lemon juice is the way to go. Ingredients: 1 cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed, about 5 lemons, ½ cup warm water. Step 1. Make a lemon juice solution. Cut up 4 to 5 fresh lemons and squeeze 1 cup of juice into a bowl. Add ½ cup of water, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Shake up the mixture thoroughly so it's completely combined. Step 2. Spray your hair with the lemon juice solution. Spray the solution liberally over your hair, concentrating in areas where you want it to be the lightest. The more solution you use, the lighter your hair will be. If you just want to highlight your hair, dip a cotton ball in the solution and rub it down the strands of hair you want to highlight. Be sure to get plenty of lemon juice around your roots so they don't end up darker than the rest of your hair. 3. Sit in the sun. The sun's rays activate the lemon juice and help it bleach your hair a few shades lighter. Go outside and let your hair sunbathe for about 30 minutes. The longer you let your hair sit in the sun, the lighter it will get. Don't sit outside for more than 60 minutes, or you could damage your hair. Make sure your skin is covered in sunscreen when you sit in direct sunlight. Step 4. Take a shower and apply a deep conditioner to your hair. The citric acid in lemons is very drying, so you'll need to rejuvenate your hair after highlighting it with lemon juice. Come back inside and wash your hair with cool water. Wash it until it no longer feels sticky from the lemon solution. Then shampoo and condition as usual. Step 5. Repeat the process weekly until your hair turns the color that you want. You may have to spray the lemon juice on your hair up to 4 times before you notice a significant difference. If for some reason you don't want to lighten your hair with lemon, then watch my other video on how to lighten your hair using hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health videos and natural remedies, subscribe to our channel.